Today we'll talk about unions, negations, and intersections. I'll quickly add two parts, and as you can see, they function as two separate pieces. But if I union them, they become one. After I click play, you can see that the two parts act as one, as they are unioned. By default, you can't change the color or the material of a union. Make sure to tick Use Part Color, and after doing that, these properties will become usable. Now any color and material can be applied, and the union works as it should. Now let's move on to using negate with parts. As you can see, if I create two parts and make one of them a negate, I can cut off a portion of the other part by using union. Make sure not to use too many unions, as they are performance heavy. Thousands of unions in a single game could make it unplayable. There is also something really important to note about negates. Always add space around the object, because if you don't, this will happen. This part has a small pane on top of it that wasn't removed, and that's not what we want. It looks better now. Now moving on to intersects, it does exactly what its name suggests. Only the intersection of two or more parts is kept. So this one is quite easy to work with. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you won't miss out on other relevant content.